I just got home. There were 2 boxes on my front porch. Let's have a look. And I did check UPS, or I think it was actually FedEx, and they hadn't even shown this on the website yet that they had received the order, so I'm very surprised that it showed up. Oh, these are my 30 over pistons. Look at this. Roller rockers. My new timing set. Let me get here. These are going to be crank bearings, maybe? Cam bearings? Probably connecting rod bearings. This one's open. I'll have to look these up on my order to see what the hell's what. Hey, my new gauge. Ah, high volume oil pump. I'm sure you can guess what this is. My brand new camshaft. Valve springs. Hydraulic roller lifters. What do we get here? Main bearing set. These are my the seals for my valves. Freeze plug kit. Came with the rebuild kit. My push rods. Should be 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, my retaining washer, retaining washer for the valve springs. The clips that hold the valve against the spring. Assembly lube. Here. These are gonna be, I don't know. I don't know. And this will be my gasket and seal kit. There we go. Here's the order form. Alright, I just finished inventorying what was in the box, and so far it's all good. Those are nice. Don't know if you can read that. 30 over. Sweet. Now that other box. If anybody wants to know the specs of all the parts I bought, the part numbers particularly, just ask. I can either send you a link, or I can post them up in the response or something along those lines. So let me know if anybody's interested, and I'll let you know exactly what I'm putting into it. The world's best header. That's pretty sweet. Nice finish on these things too. Everything's smooth and polished. That's gonna be great. Find the other end of it. I don't know if this one's for this side or for the other side. This one's for the other side. Hooker Super Competition header. This is, I think they said it was a ceramic metallic coating on them. Here we go. There we go. Well, that's alright. Look at that. That's a nice looking header. Very cool. So keep watching because my build video is going to be coming soon. The block's going to the machine shop tomorrow. Then we'll go from there.